guys, today I'm going to show you how to paint your galvanized stock tank pool. So last summer we kept it as is, and this summer I wanted a little change, so we're going to paint it white and do a fun little border around the middle. So the first step will be to etch the galvanized coating so that the paint will adhere to it. So I'm going to be using white distilled vinegar and my trusty little sponge to wipe down the entire stock tank pool. Then I'll be using a self-etching primer, and this will also help the paint stick to the stock tank pool. And finally, I'll be using Rust-Oleum. It's specifically meant for metal to paint the entire stock tank pool. So I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to wipe down the whole pool with this little chamois, and then I'm going to tape off the very little lip here because I want to keep that galvanized. Okay, it's wiped down and I am ready to start the self-etching primer. Y'all, it got real hot real quick. Primer coat has dried and I'm about to start on the white.